wish you all very happy new year. As we know that year 2020 has given a big lesson to all of us. If we'll play with nature, nature will play with us. As Ratan Tata said, this year profit is only when we enter in 2021. Yes, we are in 2021. Really, it's great success of humanity, but still many more challenges are there in 2021. As I am flag bearer and manager of the school, it's great experience how to take a reputed educational institute in this pandemic. I really appreciate the efforts of all the pillars of the school, parents and student Gurukulians. They adopted new culture of online education. With the blessings of Gurukuladhish, once again will be assembled in a school campus to participate in school activities. We are eagerly waiting for you. Once again, wish you very happy new year and joyful year ahead. God bless you. Jai Gurukuladhish.
Every sunrise is a new chapter in your life, waiting for it to be written. Good morning, everyone. We've said goodbye to the year 2020. I seek immense pleasure to wish you all a very happy, healthy, and safe New Year 2021. Undoubtedly, the year gone by has left some painful memories for humanity to be remembered for years to come. But I would only like to say one thing, that is, don't let disappointments cast a shadow on tomorrow's dreams. Let us forget and wipe off all the negative thoughts from our mind and look forward to welcome the new year with great positivity, zeal and enthusiasm. May you accomplish new goals, new achievements, endless happiness and a stress-free life. May God's grace shine upon you and your family. With this note, I wish to express my heartfelt gratitude to all the lovely parents who have shown tremendous faith in us and have rendered wholehearted support. I expect the same from all of you in the year ahead. Thank you and have a great day.
Good morning, all of you. First of all, wish you a very happy, healthy, and prosperous New Year 2021. On this New Year, I want to give a little message to my dear students. May the coming year bring along new hopes and new opportunities. May you learn from your past mistakes and accomplish your targets for future with your strength and dedication. Thank you. Have a great day.
The beginning is the most important part of the work. A very happy new year, everyone. This is Smita Saxena from Gurukul. I'm here with a good series of program on New Year. So before starting today's program, I would like to give my gratitude and thanks to Sir Vani ma'am and Principal ma'am. Thank you so much for your kind words and blessings to us. Dear student, always you have given us a very good assembly. So today your teachers and mentors are here with series of programs. So let's enjoy today's assembly with your teachers.
Thought for the beginning of the new year is always be optimistic, as optimism is the one quality more associated with success and happiness than any other. Thank you.
1 जनवरी नव वर्ष की अद्भुत अनुपम बेला है। प्रत्येक व्यक्ति के लिए वर्ष ये भी उतना अलबेला है। नव वर्ष के शुभ दिवस पर संकल्प स्वयं से कर लेना, सबको खुशियाँ दे देना और आप मगन भी हो लेना।
I wish you everyone a very warm and healthy good morning. This is Jasprit Kaur here to say something about the New Year. The New Year is celebrated all over the world with fun and excitement. The New Year reflects a new beginning and always teaches to move forward. Whatever we did in the old year, learn successful or unsuccessful, learn from the past and proceed to the future with a new hope is the significance of this festival. So, welcome the New Year in the hope that it will invite truckloads of happiness and joy in everyone's life. Thank you.
Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy, 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 Happy New Year. New is the year, new are the hopes, new are the dreams, and new are my warm wishes. Just for you, just for you.
ये आंगल नव बरस है, मैं तो हिंदी माँ का जाया हूँ। खुले विद्यालय अब सारे, यही बस आस लाया हूँ। महामारी हो जाए छू मेरी माँ वसुधा से अब तो, महामारी हो जाए छू मेरी माँ वसुधा से अब तो, खिले फिरते एक मन सारे, यही पैगाम लाया हूँ। खिले फिरते एक मन सारे, यही पैगाम लाया हूँ।
So this is only my New Year resolution, but in the coming year also, I will try to live a happy and a simple life in a very small budget. Thank you.
I'm also taking one resolution for improving my lifestyle. My resolution for 2021 is that I am going for the workout for an hour in a day to make me physically and mentally fit.
Hello everyone. As you all know, New Year is going to begin. So in this new year, I have taken one resolution that while going to purchase any article in the market, I would use my own handbag instead of using the plastic bag. I am going to avoid the use of plastic bag, and I would even request you to avoid the use of plastics so that we can reduce the environmental pollution. So these are my plans and my resolutions. And what are yours? Kindly share your resolutions as well.
I am Indrajit Kaur, wishing you a very happy new year. I firmly resolute the use of imported goods, especially Chinese goods, and use all the goods of our native land, India, because I love my India and I am proud of it.
I, Rekha Joshi, wishing you a happy new year. And to make this year happy, I firmly resolute to wear masks and to maintain the social distancing so that we can control the spread of COVID-19, and request you all to wear the mask and to maintain the social distancing so that you can live a long and a healthy life.
My new year resolution is to make everyone happy, especially those who are surrounding me, because in this current scenario that was much needed by the peoples.
सर्वेषां कृते नमो नमः। भवन्तः सर्वे जानन्ति यत् नूतनवर्षः 2021 प्रारम्भः भवितुम् अस्ति। मया सङ्कल्पः कृतः अहम् अस्मिन् नववर्षे मम सर्वाणि कार्याणि नवस्फूर्ति नव उमङ्गेन नव उत्साहेन च सम्पादयित्वा स्वप्रगत्या मार्गे अग्रे सरामः। सर्वेषां कृते नूतनवर्षस्य शुभाशयाः।
My New Year resolution is to stay connected with my family, because in the pandemic time I know the value of my family and friends. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Amit Kumar Gupta. My resolution for new year are renovating something new within myself, positively and actively accepting the workload for the betterment of institution and personally too, work for betterment of environment and wishing you a very happy new year. Thank you.
Wishing you all a very happy new year. I resolute to be a better person than yesterday and today, and to take positive and better decisions and thought each and every coming day in front of me. Thank you.
The beginning of New Year is always the best time to give another chance to your neglected talent. So, this coming New Year, I want to be more positive, be around good energy, learn new things and grow. This is my New Year resolution. Wish you a very happy New Year to you all. Thank you.
My New Year resolution is increase fitness, improves my diet, eat green veggies and having soap, and stay active. Thank you.
Hi everyone, as we know that coronavirus has put us back foot in every field of life in 2020. So on its behalf, my New Year resolution is to give awareness to all to keep distance and wear mask, to demolish this evil and follow the instructions provided by our government. Thank you. Happy New Year.
Hello everyone. Making resolutions are great for you and me. So, my New Year resolution is to prioritize eco-friendly products and to be consistent with meal times. And I'm surely going to adopt some new hobbies. So, thank you. Help others. Stay positive and Happy New Year.
Hello everyone, my New Year resolution is to avoid Chinese products and hope that we all must ignore these items so that production of our country item make it its importance and economic condition of our nation will raise, which is helpful to fight against coronavirus. Thank you. Happy New Year.
Hello everyone. Wish you a very happy and a prosperous New Year. This year we saw a massive hits of lockdown on the people working on the small scale. People were not able to fulfill their basic amenities required by their family. Seeing this, I resolute to help them and support them in any basic way so that they may gain the courage and will to work in a positive way so that they may fight against this current situation. Thank you.
A warm and graceful morning to everyone. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thank speech and acknowledgement the contribution of those who worked really hard to make this assembly wonderful. First of all, I extended my most sincere thanks to the Almighty God for conducting today's assembly in graceful manner. I am immensely thankful to our director sir, principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am and coordinator ma'am who had made faith on me. I also extend thanks to all the staff members for their wonderful performance. I have noticed about my colleagues is that in this challenging year, they are ready to give their best in each and every place. They took the initiative of serving you with something different, this time in form of wonderful assembly, and I hope you will like it. My sincere gratitude goes to all parents and well-wishers for your support and encouragement. At last, I pray that 2021 is better for each and every one of us. Wish you a happy and healthy New Year. Thank you. Goodbye.